Gab Hernandez.
I'm Josh Pe.
I'm Kyle Kang.
I'm Tristan Tew.
There was a family dinner last night and it was so perfect. But there's only one tiny problem, was because of the candles. Those things were actually very good though, because they kept away the mosquitoes and the flies away from our food and blood. But the problem is those things only last for 30 minutes or so. And we invited our cousins also, so you can actually see how many it is. I mean, honestly, is it so hard to ask for one good candle that will actually last long?
Yeah, I hate it when that happens. Only there was a way.
Hey guys, I heard you
Whoa.
guys talking about having candle problems. Do your candles not last long enough? Well, I have a solution for you.
Are you sure you're not a salesman or something?
Oh, shut up.
Okay.
Anyway, here's my solution. There's this belief, common belief, that if you freeze candles in the freezer for a certain amount of time, they're gonna last longer.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, why not? I want to try it out. It might work.
Yep, there'll be lots of benefits if you prove this. Alright, let's test this out.
For this experiment, we're gonna use 2 candles and a cooler. First we're gonna do the small scale experiment. We froze 2 candles in the small cooler for about 12 hours, and the cooler's temperature is about 5 degrees Celsius.
So the results of the small-scale experiment were kind of surprising. Apparently, the frozen candle burned a lot slower compared to room temperature candle. It was quite obvious from the video that the wax pool of the frozen candle was just draining a lot slower than the room temperature candle. And I also noticed something strange, that is, the frozen candle, its flame was a lot smaller compared to the one of the room temperature candle. What do you think about that?
Maybe it's because the frozen candle, since it was frozen, the wax melted a lot slower than the room temperature candle. We don't know.
Well, since this myth worked out pretty well, we'll try out a larger scale with a different kind of time limit for the frozen candles.
Yeah, I agree. This time, we should burn all our candles all the way until they go out. And this time, let's use bigger ones so we can see a more drastic difference between the frozen one and the room temperature one.
Alright.
This time, we use taller candles to check the validity of the myth. In other words, we're checking if all candles will still last the same, if will still last longer if they're frozen. We also use a cooler temperature to freeze our candles. The temperature is now negative 16 degrees Celsius. We hope that there will be more drastic results that will be evident, such as a half-hour difference between the time the candles run out. This time, the frozen candle didn't burn as long as we expected. This was because the frozen candle defrosted really quick. Like, in 5 minutes it was half defrosted already. This is a chart.
So based on the results of the chart, initially we can see that the frozen candles do burn slower. However, as you can see, the effect was lost quickly, and in the end, apparently the frozen candle just started burning faster and it overtook the length of the room temperature candle. So based on the results, I guess that not all candles have that lasting effect of the freezing, and since our myth states that all candles in general should have this effect, I guess this myth must be busted.
Oh, Tristan. Thank you for this. You wasted 10 minutes, one day of my whole life! One day!